Hi everyone, I'm here to show you how to track your Tstv using the start finder. First thing you need to know is your direction, where your dish is meant to face. Most dish or most common dish face east, which is sunrise. So now what you need to do is, while standing in front of any dish that is facing east, make sure if you're in front of the dish, which means your Tstv dish should face your left hand side. But if you're behind the dish, if you're looking from behind the dish, that means your Tstv will be facing your right hand side. So you need to know your frequency. The frequency is 11052, while your symbol rate is 30,000. Your symbol rate is 30,000, while the polarization is horizontal. Then your LMB is meant to be on 4 o'clock. So watch now while I track. I'll show you how to track, and you see the channels coming up, and I'll scan and I'll show you everything. Just stay with me. Okay, this is my LMB. Yeah, this is the positioning of the dish. That's LMB. So I've plugged in the signal cable in, and it's connected to my side finder, as you can see. So make sure the LMB, if you're standing in front, let it be moved to your right hand side. Like this now, you can't get any signal. The signal is gone. But if I screw it back to my right hand side, the signal is back now. So that's the best we can get. Our strength is 90, our quality is 55, and this is our dish channel working. I just finished tracking and I just got my signal here.
Fire beating in Nigeria.
You see? My strength here is 90 and my quality is 55, 60. I'm on the dish channel now. That's the dish channel. Okay. So it's quite simple and easy to track, and you see, you now take it in, connect to your TV and enjoy. You see, quite beautiful. Let's check your channels. This is Mama Africa Yoruba.
And yes, but enough that you need enough time that you took the surface, and you were there. You were there until you now decide where you want to step.
That's all about installation of Tstv. See you in our next class when I teach you more things about Tstv.